Enlightened negotiation is about maximizing the collective gain. Some people ask me, is it so win-win? Win-win is a good start, but enlightened negotiation is about win-win on steroids. This is the perspective of enlightened negotiation, that two or more human beings have come together is an opportunity to co-create something magnificent, something noble. Generally speaking, look at every interaction as a new opportunity. How can I make this better? And what is really good about this is research has shown over 70 to 80% of people, they follow your lead. Guesstimate what is it that they need. And then at the table, take the leadership to share that information, co-create values. That is negotiation. The deal ends, but the results and reputation last. I've been negotiating all my life. When I was 8 years old, I had a dream of starting my own business, using my entire $8 saving, selling small toys in my neighborhood in Tehran, Iran. But one young pilot, Air Force Major Bong Lee, barely escaped in a small Cessna plane under a heavy fire. By the time he made it over to the sea, he had no clue where to go, where to land. How did you feel when somebody else uses the words that, are your words, how did you feel? Understood. Connected. Okay. Exactly. And again, these are based on truthfulness. Raise your hand. How many zeros? Good. How many 0 to 5? How many 5 to 10? 10 and more. Ah, what happened? When it comes to business or your profession, trust is more than a virtue. It's the measure of our values and economic driver of the 21st century. Trusted company outperform their competitors by tenfolds. Did you know when you trust or you are trusted, there's a hormone released in your body, oxytocin. It's the hormone of bonding. And it's by positivity that you increase creativity. There's a theory of broaden and build theory. Positivity creates creativity. Creativity increases productivity. It's an upward spiral.
My biggest takeaway, I would say, is that from this day, is that negotiation is not about winning or losing. It's about connection. It's about creativity. It's about intention.
And for 23 years in the U.S. Army, and about 18 of that as a Green Beret, I've worked in some of the toughest places on the planet, and I've negotiated with some of the toughest people on the planet. Not only did it validate so many of the tough principles and lessons that we learned working in rough areas around the world, it taught me a ton more. I learned more stuff coming out of this event than I've ever learned in any negotiation experience that I've had. So I hope you'll check it out.